Hi there and welcome to lesson 15, 1000 words vocabulary. Let's learn another 50 words and phrases now. Wage. I'm not very happy with my hourly wage. Salary. How much was his salary there? Underline. Please change the underlined words. True. It's not true. Believe. Would you believe that? Mean, meant, meant. Meaning. What do you mean? What does it mean? I didn't mean it. Question. I'm sorry, I didn't hear the question. Answer. Reply. Response. The verb from response is respond. I'm not ready to answer that. Rain, rainy. Is it still raining? I have it for a rainy day. Easy. It won't be easy for us. Take it easy. Seem. She seems happy. She seemed happy. Blueberry. I love that blueberry cake. Blackberry. Can I have blackberry tea, please? Mind. I don't mind. Would you mind if I take it? Letter. I sent the letter last week. Mess, messy. Your room is a mess. Salt. Can you pass me the salt, please? Pepper. She doesn't eat pepper. Next to. May I park my car next to yours? Schedule. Sorry, it's not on my schedule. Reschedule. Please, can we reschedule the meeting? Postpone. I would like to postpone the changes. Dad, daddy, papa, dada. Where's your papa? Mom, mummy, mama, mum, mummy. My mom will not buy it for me. Apologize apology. I have to apologize for being late. Cut, cut, cut. You should cut it in half. Lemon, lime. Lemon has a yellow zest. Lime has a green zest. That lemon tastes bad. Listen to. Would you listen to me for once? Air conditioning. My air conditioning doesn't work. Purpose. What is the purpose of your visit? Possible, impossible. Is it possible to park here? Smile. She smiled at me. Toward, towards. Backward, backwards. Forward, forwards. Sideward, sidewards. Go towards the center. To forward an email. I will forward it to you. Look forward to. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Line. There is a very long line. Clear. Is it clear? Bowl. Can I have a bowl of rice, please? Strawberry. Do you drink strawberry juice? Pear. Please put those pears on the table. Banana. I will buy some bananas. Carrot. They didn't like the carrot soup. Cucumber. His cucumber salad is the best. Cost. Cost, cost, cost. Costs. All costs were covered by insurance. Break. Break, broke, broken. I need a break. Sale, sales. My house is not for sale. We had a sales meeting. Department. In which department can I find it? Rule. Those rules seem to be all right. Sky. Look at that azure sky. Cloud, cloudy. It was a very cloudy Wednesday. And a few phrases. Money rules the world. Keep smiling. Keep walking. Every cloud has a silver lining. I feel blue. He came out of the blue. I'll give it a green light. He comes to see me once in a blue moon. He is as cool as a cucumber. She's driving me bananas. I'm broke. I'm broken. That's all for today. Bye-bye.